Oh my God, I hate this fence. I hate it. Whoa! It's spinning, you son of a bitch. Yeah! Aiden, what are we gonna do about the fence?
So we're gonna start ripping that out.
Oh, okay. Yep, I really do hate this fence. I like that fence, but I hate this fence. Wow, so much over just filming a video.
I'm filming another.
I see you looking at me, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you.
So we're ripping this cactus out or what?
I guess.
We're filming at the same thing.
I guess. Fire it up.
Fire it up, baby.
We need a name for the excavator.
Excavator 2.0. 2.0.
That's real original. I can't see your face because you're holding that. Put it down a little bit. There you go. Excavator what?
Excavator 2.0.
Let's get some B-roll. Oh yeah. It makes smooth work. Look at he's like a monkey moving those things. Don't get thrown off that thing. It hurts. Ask me how I know.
I'm just looking to make sure that the dogs weren't here on the other side of the fence.
Yep. Yep. They're not. Yep.
You can tell 'cause they don't dig.
Don't follow me,
Who gets
boy.
the
Get
honors?
different angles, boy. Who? To knock it over?
Who gets the honors?
You do this one, I do that one. I call that fair.
You're not that close.
Are you guys recording?
Yeah.
Hurry up, Kenny. Knock over that fucking fence. Watch the hydraulics. My turn. There we go. I prefer to use a little finesse when I do this.
Now that's what you call perfection. Oh, that's a good crunch. That's a good crunch.
How many are we doing?
Let's just start for this. We'll get this ripped out.
Wait. We'll start that again. We're only, how much are we doing?
We'll start off with this section so we know we can get it patched up.
And I can get a better.
And then we'll get the next one. So we need to get the drill attachment on.
That's what
And
Okay.
yeah.
Should we drilled it into the ground, so we got to go over there. Okay, that was fun.
Yeah. Here, I'm gonna stop the recording for now.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Hey, stop yours too, buddy.
clip. Sorry guys, I was making you look right there. Just right there.
How many are we doing?
Let's just start for this. We'll get this ripped out.
Wait. We'll start that again. We're only, how much are we doing?
We'll start off with this section so we know we can get it patched up.
Then I can get a better.
And then we'll get the next one. So we need to get the drill attachment on.
That's what we're
And
doing next.
yeah.
That's where the guy that sold the place used to drill his feet.
You wrecked my boat, you fucking goof.
You wrecked my set, you fucking goof.
I don't know if Jackson's the best one for this job. T-Bone. And the shade.
Thing is, I don't know if that's a tree or a brush or a bush. So
You're really risking your shed right now. I'm glad I have 2 cameras running.
oh, that's the thing. Jackson's more careful than I would be. He's cutting the boots.
Damn, it could do that.
Hey, now pull the left one towards you.
He did it. He's got it.
Pull the left one towards you. And then it'll rip it forward towards you. There goes the power.
Check.